Today is Sunday, April 27, and today I learned that, honestly, today and yesterday I've just been really absorbing a lot that keeps on telling me, like, knowledge, like, it's not about knowledge, it's about action. My teacher was talking about how knowledge puffs up, right? Knowledge puffs up, you think you know everything, but really you need to be taking action on it. It talks about in James, in the Bible, about how you need to be doers of the word rather than just hearers, right? I think taking action on things rather than just constantly absorbing is a godly trait, honestly. I was listening to something earlier, and it was about how a lot of things you need to subtract instead of add. So instead of learning new productivity hacks, just remove distractions, right? And you can actually end up taking action on that thing without learning anything new, right? I've just been hearing it everywhere, like, stop worrying about the knowledge, start worrying about the action. Just take action on these things you want to do and these things that you should do, because that is a much better start than learning about things. Like, I would rather, if I'm going to learn a new skill, just start working on it first and learn as you go, right? So just worry about the action, not the knowledge. Knowledge puffs up, and you can learn a lot more and do a lot more if you're actually just taking action, right? So be an action-based person, don't be a knowledge-based person. Now, obviously knowledge comes into it, but that's another video. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this video helpful, even if it was really short. If you did, then I would love a like or a comment. This is the video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner. If you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.